Hey, it's Allison, and today I'll help you conquer deadlines with 4 easy-to-use alert reminders. The best way to have your deadlines visible on your board is with deadline mode. Once enabled, you can plainly see your deadline approaching, or if maybe it's already past due. By creating a date or timeline column and selecting Set as Deadline, it will connect to a status column to show if items are on time, overdue, or complete. From there, use automations to create alerts as your deadline approaches. Create a custom recipe, or choose from one of our many pre-configured recipes here. By adding this option, you'll be notified automatically one day before your deadlines. Another easy way to get alerted for deadlines is with update reminders. Let's say Percy tags you an update for an item you're working on. You know he's expecting an answer by the end of the week and want to make sure you reply before then. You can choose to snooze the update and be reminded at a later time 2 ways. First is in the board itself. By clicking the bell icon on the update, you can select a preset time to be reminded. The second way is through your inbox. When the notification pops up, follow the same steps so you can reply in a timely fashion. While those are all great options to be alerted to deadlines within the platform, our calendar integration allows you to receive notifications no matter where you are. Using the same date or timeline columns you created for deadline mode, you can integrate with Google, Outlook, Apple Calendars, and more. Click Column Settings within the column menu, then Customize Column, and you'll see your options to sync. Watch the board appear as a new calendar, and from there, set reminders for your imported tasks within the app. With so many options to help your team be their most productive selves, you know monday.com has your back, so you can go and get it done. Learn more about deadline mode by watching our video here, or click our logo for more ways to get the most out of monday.com.